mes amis, we're going to start a new lesson in French, our second one. Let's make it a little bit bigger. We're going to talk about la famille. La famille, the family. Il et elle. Il et elle. He and she. Here's a good example. Il est avec elle ici. Il est avec elle ici. He is with her here. Kind of a tongue twister here. Sometimes the French use lui, but technically il is the pronoun that we use for saying he in masculine nouns. Le grand-père, le grand-père, le grand-père, the grandfather. La grand-mère, grand-mère. You have to emphasize the French way of saying the R there. La grand-mère, the grandmother. Le fils, the son. La fille, the daughter. Le frère, the brother. La sœur, the sister. L'oncle, the uncle. La tante, the aunt. Sometimes we say the aunt, sometimes we say the aunt, but in French we say la tante. Nous sommes une famille. Nous sommes une famille. We are a family. As-tu une petite famille? Do you have a small family? As-tu une petite famille? Non, j'ai une grande famille. No, I have a big family. Non, j'ai une grande famille.